Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I am going to continue on our journey with Microsoft Sentinel, and we're working on Microsoft Sentinel, and Microsoft Sentinel is the cloud native SIEM and SOAR solution. So let's start today's video. In my earlier videos I have seen how to create the log analytic workspace for Microsoft Sentinel and how to add the data connector. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to connect the taxi data connector. So what is taxi? Taxi is trusted automated exchange of intelligence information. So let's see how to add the data connector. I am already logged into Microsoft Sentinel workspace, and this is the Microsoft Sentinel pane that is visible on the screen, and from the main screen I will go to data connectors under configuration section, and in the data connectors in the search bar I will search taxi, TAXII, taxi. So it will be showing that threat intelligence taxi. So this taxi, what it will does is how the cyber threat intelligence information is shared between the in the organization or between the organization, that is actually will be actually displayed in our workspace, Microsoft Sentinel workspace. So taxi anomalies information or data will be actually getting analyzed. So in the threat intelligence taxi window I have to select open connector page, and from that page I have to fill up the form, the configuration form. So let's fill up the configuration information. So the first one is friendly name for server. So what I will give is I will give ransomware IPs. Ransomware IPs. Then the API root URL, I will put the address as anomaly.anomaly.com/API/v1/taxi2/feeds. So this is the API root URL. Collection ID, I will give collection ID is 135. Username I will put guest. Password also guest. Import indicators, let's keep the default one, all available. Polling frequency I will give once a minute. Then I will click on add. So it will start validating, and you can see that taxi connector added. So what you have to do is so in the next step we'll see that this is how it will looks like. The taxi threat intelligence data connector will look like. So let's wait for a couple of minutes to actually populate the data in our threat intelligence in our Azure Microsoft Sentinel workspace. And if you go to data connector, you'll be seeing that there are two data connectors gets added. So this is how we have to include the taxi data connector into our Microsoft Sentinel. I hope that this video is useful for your day-to-day day-to-day job as a security engineer, as a Azure security engineer. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of the new videos. I hope you will get more information in my future videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.